Is it possible to decline a walkie-talkie invitation on my Apple Watch?
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. We are going to discuss a very common query amongst Apple Watch users. Is it possible to decline a walkie-talkie invitation on my Apple Watch? Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have a clear answer to this question.
What is the Walkie Talkie app?
The Walkie Talkie app is a communication feature available on the Apple Watch. With this, users can connect with each other in a unique, real-time manner. Think of it as having a miniature walkie-talkie right on your wrist. It's definitely a fun way to communicate, but sometimes you might not want to accept an invitation from someone.
Can you decline a walkie-talkie invitation?
To answer the main question directly, yes, it is possible to decline a walkie-talkie invitation on your Apple Watch. When you receive an invitation, it will show up on your Apple Watch and in the Walkie Talkie app on your iPhone. On your watch, you'll get a notification where you can choose to either always allow or dismiss. If you tap always allow, you'll be able to use the Walkie Talkie feature with that contact. If you tap dismiss, you're essentially declining the invitation.
How to decline a walkie-talkie invitation?
Here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to decline a walkie-talkie invitation. 1. When you receive a walkie-talkie invitation on your Apple Watch, you'll see a notification on the screen. 2. In this notification, you'll find two options: always allow and dismiss. 3. Simply tap on dismiss. That's it. You have declined the walkie-talkie invitation. It's worth mentioning that declining an invitation does not block the contact, and they can still send you a new invitation in the future. And that's how you decline a walkie-talkie invitation on your Apple Watch. Remember, communication is always in your control, and you have the ability to choose who you want to connect with on the Walkie Talkie app. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope this has been helpful. Enjoy using your Apple Watch to its full potential.